Searching for emails and messages in Front is fast and easy. In this quick guide, we'll review how to use Front's search tools and shortcuts to find exactly what you need in seconds. To begin a search, click on the magnifying glass icon at the top of your inbox or use the keyboard shortcut /. From here, simply type something such as a keyword, a sender's name, or an inbox name, and Front will instantly pull up matching results. Front offers numerous search operators, which are simple shortcuts that help you filter results. Type the search operator and colon to apply the operator to your search. Click the arrow here or type plus in the search bar to see more search operator options. Now let's review an example. Say you need to find all conversations related to shipments that have been delayed. In this case, your team will be using a tag such as delayed shipment to track conversations where this has occurred. You can simply type tag to use the search operator for tags and then find your tag, delayed shipment. Just like that, Front will show all conversations with that tag. You can also combine search operators for even better results. For example, to find messages in the VIP inbox where shipments have been delayed, use the operator tag, delayed shipment, and inbox, VIP client's inbox. Using multiple operators helps you quickly focus on the most important conversations. For even more control, use the Filters menu here to apply additional search parameters using the drop-downs. This is great for tracking down older conversations or specific tasks. And that's it. With just a few simple shortcuts, you can find conversations faster and stay organized in Front.